Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make degi pulao. Let's start the recipe. First you will need 3 kg of meat, and you can see how it's cut it up. And then add 10 cups of water. Next you need to add is garam masala. Add it in the meat. Add bay leaves, ginger and garlic, half tablespoon of haldi, and mix. Now add KNORR cube inside and let it boil like this. Let's move to the next step. Add 3 tablespoons of oil and add garam masala. Add 3 medium-sized onions. Now it's golden brown, take out some in a plate. Now add 2 medium-sized tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, KNORR cube, and 3 to 4 chilies, and 2 tablespoons of meat masala, Next add the boiled meat that was boiled earlier. Now add the yakhni, it is the water in which the meats were boiled, and now the water is added in. And this was at least 1 liter. Now add some coriander leaves and mix again. So these are 3 kg soaked rice. Add it in as shown. Mix it up together. Now just cover it up for 10 minutes so the water gets absorbed by the rice. Now you can see that the water is absorbed by the rice. Now add some coriander leaves and the fried onion that we saved earlier and some kebra water. Cover it for 15 minutes. And this is how you could see it turned out. And the recipe is ready to be served. Our yummy degi pulao is ready to eat. I hope you liked this video. Share it with your friends and family, and yes, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.